Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Kdenlive in your computer. It's an open source video editor and a great free alternative to Adobe Premiere. So how you can simply download it, you have to open any of your favorite browser and then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Kdenlive and download. Click enter. And then we're going to get the first website. Click on that, and then we're going to get these three operating system options to get download. So I'm going to go for installable. Click on download, and now as you can see that the download has been completed. Now if you click on the folder icon, and now if you click on it 2 times to install, click yes for the permission, and you can simply minimize all the background tab right now. And here is your setup wizard. So click on next, next, install. And now as you can see that the completing Kdenlive setup. Now if you click on the finish option, now you can simply search here Kdenlive, click enter. After that, we're going to open the setup wizard. So now you can simply click on start editing. And now as you can see right now, your Kdenlive is already opened in your computer device. So yeah, this is the way you can simply do that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the videos. Till then, goodbye.